Definitely looking like fall out here, a little bit, just a little bit. Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my girls because they are gonna make a cookie recipe for you today. One of our favorite fall treats. This is Kate and this is Lee Rose. We are joining in the collab with Fallon over at Moss Family TV, and she's doing a Fall Food Fridays like this whole month, and so there's going to be a playlist linked down below in the description. You can go check out all the other yummy fall food and recipes they have there. So you girls ready to get started?
Yeah!
Yeah, they've never made this recipe before, so you might need to ask me a few questions, but we really only make this one in the fall. It's just great with apple cider, and it's one of our favorites, isn't it? Yeah, so we'll let them get started, and
so we added 2 sticks of butter, 2 sticks of softened butter, and we added some shortening, half a cup of shortening.
good. Okay, put it all in and mix it up together.
And we needed 2 half a cups of shortening.
Why is that?
Because we were making a double batch.
Oh, right. Camera.
And 4 eggs since we're doing the double.
Washing your hands after the eggs.
Are we gonna mix it?
Yep.
To level it this way. Teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. We're stirring in the flour.
Are your arms sore yet?
Yeah, a little bit.
So, what you got in there?
We just mixed up some cinnamon and sugar.
Sugar. What are you going to do with that sugar?
We're gonna
Cinnamon.
roll the cookies in the pan.
Good idea. Okay. So once we were sitting there eating oatmeal, and what happened?
I added cumin to our oatmeal.
Instead of cinnamon. So now she's always sure to double check on that one, isn't yeah.
We are putting in. We were rolling up the dough into balls, and then we're putting them in cinnamon sugar, and then we put them in the pan and cook them in the oven.
Here they are, all finished. They're so good, aren't they? Are they good? Yeah, we like to have them with cider, hot or cold, or milk. Milk is good too. But they are really good. I think the special ingredient in them is the cream of tartar. Just adds that, I don't know, different taste to it, and it's like so good. So another thing we like to do is freeze the cookie dough. We do this with all kinds of cookies. And we just freeze it with wax paper. We roll it into like a log. And then after it's in like a log, so then you can slice it when it comes out of the freezer really easily. Just roll it up in wax paper. And you put it in the freezer just like that. It'll keep for a couple months for sure. I do this all the time with all different kinds of cookies.
Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And please subscribe to our channel.
They sure don't last long around this house, that's for sure.